Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Android voicemail. So open your settings, open your mobile settings and check to your internet connection and your SIM card carrier because sometimes it was hang, so that's why you were not received voicemail. So click to check all the switches button on data roaming and carrier which will be choose some phones manually, some phones automatically to attach carriers. So you would also check the updates of phone if the phone your will be updated. So that's how the it's, you see the phone is not updated. So when you will up to date your phone, the all your problems will be solved and voicemail also solved. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.